good morning. Our first tour, Bangkok Temple.
First destination.
Yeah, our first destination of our second day tour in Bangkok, Thailand. We're going to Bangkok Temple.
Hindi pa namin alam.
Di pa namin alam, wait lang.
Masyado rin kami kinakabahan sa bigan.
We're very excited. One- 100 lang guys.
Panjama. Saan ba tayo?
Masarap yun, no? Yung gano'n.
Ano yan ah?
Nakatikim ako. Ay, guys, ang ganda dito.
Entrance, bago pumasok sa entrance. Init pa, siguro.
Yan yung river na tatawirin namin. What's the name of the river?
Chao Phraya.
What? Chapuya.
Chao Phraya.
Chaupaya.
So kaya,
Chaupaya River.
super linis. Hindi ito ilog
Ah,
Pasig.
my waves. My waves.
Stay Thailand.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bawal.
Bawal.
Hello, sir.
From Philippines.
Guys, yung river na. Yung river na tatawaran namin para makarating kami sa Temple. Hello, Ma'am Abigail. Good morning.
Teacher Abigail with the best friend.
Wala na siyang sakit. With the best friend.
Best of friends.
Yes. parang I like the river. The Ilog Pasig in the Philippines. Sasakay kaming bangka. Hello, Ma'am Abby. Wave ka naman sa camera. Oh my God. Thank you. Wow, oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Dito ako sa gitna. Natatakot ako. Dito ako sa gitna. Natatakot ako. Sa gitna ako. Oh my God. Oh my God. Maalam siya talaga.
Pero ako din sa alam. Wala ka dito. Dito. Bakit? Ako si Tao.
Wait. Ayun.
Okay.
Dan. Ang dami namin.
Ayo. Madam, saan? Ay!
Ay, sorry.
Para lahat na lang din. Paano natin sa
Oh my God.
ito? Wala. Wala.
Ay! Oh my God, mahanan talaga.
Ano?
Ayun na, humawak ka baka mahulog ka. Magdaong na kami guys. Ayan na.
Hindi pa ka
We're here na. Oh my God. Ano friend?
nakakasabay.
Ano pangalan ng temple na to? Kailan na nakasulat?
Ano mami naman? Ito
Good. Na-experience ko na makapunta ng temple.
Oh, dito mo lang sa to. Nasa ako din sila.
My first time. First time in a temple. my very first time.
Ciao, Ryan. I both naman.
I think this is the entrance, friend.
What arut? What arut?
Arut, what Arun?
What arut?
What Arun temple? Is that the temple?
What arut?
What Arun temple? God, my God, gusto ko. Okay.
Against the light.
Mag-meeting daw muna bago daw.
Sorry. Okay na ho kami dito.
Ayun, doon daw.
Yung bawal at
Yung mga bawal at mga hindi bawal kasi na magbi-briefing kami about sa mga do's and don'ts kasi siyempre nasa temple tayo. Meron mga bawal talagang hindi dapat gawin.
So may have 2 minutes for information. Then after that it's your time for picture. So welcome to first stop of us for this temple. This is temple of the dawn. Temple of dawn for. Or you can call this temple Thai people we call Wat Arun. Wat Arun. W-A-T, Wat is meaning temple. If you visit another temple, they also call Wat Pho. That means temple. And Arun is mean the dawn, early morning time. So it's meaning Wat Arun, early morning temple. In this temple we have 3 culture you can see. Look at that first one. That's one Thai style, Thailand style. Look like the other temple will pass on away because of same style. But this temple is special from the other one because they have the demon giant over there for the 2 of them. They are the guardians of this temple. We believe the good and the evil cannot go inside there. But we are human, we cannot get inside there also. It's not because of them, because of not open yet. That's why. Okay. Then see the second one over there, the tall one. That one is Cambodian style. We can tell on the temple. That one we call Pagoda.
Pagoda temple.
Pagoda. Not original Cambodian style. We make from Thai and Cambodia. It looks like this one tall and thin. Actually in Cambodia, short and choppy. Good to see. Let's go to Angkor one. That's original one. But this one is tall one. If you ask me how tall, 81 meters. More than 200 years ago, maybe. So if you would like to get inside there to see the detail, to take picture, you can. But you have to pay 50 baht per person for donation to this temple. If you want to pay, it's alright for outside lah. Picture with the view that you can do. Okay, and the last one here, this one for, look on this one on the roof for VR. This one from China for Chinese style. The pavilion for one of the people. No story for never mind. But remember here for, this is our meeting point for. So after finish next time, please come back and here.
What time?
Okay. So right now is 8:48 Thailand time po. Because the take time here 30 minutes po.
30 minutes.
So 9:20 come back here.
Ano oras daw? 9:20. 9:20 we should be here. No picture taking pag walang bayad, di ba? Sa labas pwede.
Labas lang tayo pag sa loob magbabayad.
Ah, okay.
At labas naman.
So pwede siya pumasok doon.
Bayad ka 50. 50. Dito tayo maapat.
For donation on. Talaga mo nga dyan, friend.
Oo naman. Kaya nga malaking bag na yun eh. Kung gusto tayo dito. People, dito tayo. Group tour. Ay, group picture.
Wat Aron is also called a Temple of Dawn. It is an iconic 17th century Buddhist temple on the Chao Phraya River's west bank in Bangkok, Thailand. Famous for its 82-meter high porcelain encrusted creamer style spire. It is major landmark offering stunning river views especially at sunset. Located in the Bangkok Yai district on the Thonburi side of the river. The central prang is decorated with colorful broken porcelain, a design motif from the reign of King Rama III. It is one of 9 sacred temples in Thailand. Approximately 200 Thailand baht for foreign visitors yung bayad pag mamasyal ka. Then, take the BTS SkyTrain to Sapan Taksin Station. Then, a Chao Phraya Express boat to Tathien Pier, followed by a 5 baht cruise river ferry. Tapos, yung dress code, visitors must dress modestly, covering shoulders and knees. Shoes must be removed before entering the certain areas. Okay? Best time to visit is sunset offers the most scenic views kasi when the temple is illuminated. Important tips, the central prang has various steps which may challenging for those with limited mobility, and then an active place for worship. Sometimes maintain quiet and respect, especially pag nasa loob kayo ng temple. Where's the entrance?
Dito sa bintana dito.
It's wrong to use symbols of Buddha in bar decoration, Tata. It
Sabi
is no
sa'yo bawal
respect.
kayo wala na ako son.
Guys, alam niyo kung anong bawal bago pumasok? Ito po yung bawal. Walang sleeveless, ganito, walang shirts, ganyan. Especially prohibited to step and climb on Buddha statues. O guys, bawal daw mo step daw or umakyat sa Buddha statue.
Oo, tara.
Ayan.
Oh my God! Nakakapagod po.
Oh my God, ang ganda. Gusto ko i-video it lang.
Ay, apa, tara!
Ang ganda, tingnan niyo oh. Wow,
Saan?
I like the architecture.
Sila dito ha? Nay? Bag ka ni?
Ang ganda.
Okay. Tara, tara!
Let's go up. Oh my God, ang ganda oh.
Welcome to James World. Halina't maglakbay ng sabay-sabay.
Oh, I can take pictures like that. Oh, wow.
Ano lahi? Bini
I can see the tower.
James World. May mga oras sa buhay na bigla ka na lang lulumbay. Minsan minatake ka na lang.
Lord, no? Have plans. Talaga si Lord may plano? Oo. Isipin mo, nagkaroon ako ng mga friends.
Si Teacher Abigail.
Hi. Si Ana.
Si Entrepreneur Ana. si business-minded, ano? Jason. And then, I'm the traveler, James Bayubog. Traveler or the vlogger.
Yan yun. Bili kayo.
Kamsahamnida!
Bili ka.
Kamsahamnida!
Yun lang. Ikaw na siya. Bili kayo sa puti.
Ibang vlog kasi madam. Ah, there. There's a beautiful girl down there.
Ay, napo na yan. Excuse me po.
Sorry. Oh my God. Gusto ko siyang ikutin.
Hindi mo makalak, no?
Gusto ko itor.
Ito. Ito yung ibaba.
Okay guys, gusto ko kaya itor. Ikutin ko tong table para sa inyo.
Okay.
Kahit ang super init. Super init talaga niya, I swear. Super hot. Pero ikutin ko para sa inyo. What time is it na?
It's already 9:10. We only have 10 minutes left.
Oh guys, let's go now. Oh, sige, go. You go there. Meron pa ba tayong pupuntahan? So we need to go to the toilet first.
Meron ba? Ako, akala ko dito.
Half day to eh, half day. So we still have about, kung 10 ngayon, ay 9. So meron pa tayong mga 3 or 4 minutes. You take it down.
Ay, shit.
Where's my ticket?
Uy, dito ako mas mababa t-shirt ko. Kumuha na kayong pan-t-shirt nyo.
Ako ang inyong kaibigan.
Ang gaganda, anong mga souvenir items. Ang ganda. Magkano dyan? 10. Sa atin yung mamahal, no? Mahal dun sa Hindi, pag mga ganito mga tourist spots, di ba, mga 25. Magnet na 3 for 100.
Ganun din.
Ganun. Parang sa market din. Saan ba yun? Saan ba yung bus natin? Ay, saan ba yun? Yung meeting place natin ulit. Nandito ba yun? Ay, doon tayo nun, di ba? Guys, baka late na tayo sa meeting place natin. Are we late na?
9:17.
9:17? Saan na yun? Doon yun, di ba? Friend, 9:17 na, 9:20 meeting place natin. We're not... Sabagay, antay naman siguro tayo na.
With our time.
Yeah.
Eh, baka maiwan tayo.
Ang gaganda. Ang ganda guys, oh. Talagang well-maintain nila yung area. No? Well-maintain talaga nila yung area, oh. Ano nakasulat?
James World.
Hi friends, my name is James and James World is my world.